All right, so the next thing we're gonna tackle here is how to find a good product. So let's get right into it. Oops, here. All right, so the first thing you wanna do is make sure that a product is evergreen. If you've never heard of the term evergreen, what it really means is that it's not seasonal, all right? It's not just a fad that's gonna go out of style, but it's something that you can promote all year long, all right? That's what evergreen means, and you really want your product to be evergreen. And when I say a product, I want every single one of you to start with one product. If you try to spread yourself thin, you're not going to see success very quickly. You're going to get overwhelmed. You're going to have a feeling like, oh, this is too much. I'm burdening myself way too much, and this is too stressful. All right. Again, I've been there. I've done that. I get it. Don't make the same mistakes that I did. All right. Choose one product. Make sure it's an evergreen product, and then stick to it until you are making money. Once you're making money, then you can add additional products into your lineup. And I'll talk about that a little bit later on. So the next thing you want to look for is that, do they have reoccurring commissions? If they have reoccurring commissions, this is a big plus. All right. Reoccurring means that you're going to get paid every single month. This is more like a subscription. So if it requires a subscription, or if it's a consumable are things like batteries, like soap, shampoo, right? Garbage can bags, anything that is a consumable, right? Baby diapers. So all those things are things that people are going to have to continue buying all the time. And that is a great way to ensure a nice, predictable revenue stream. The next thing is, are there more commissions that are possible? So what I mean by that is, whatever product, does the company allow you to make more commissions? And I'll give you guys an example for those of you that aren't familiar with what I'm talking about. Sometimes when you promote a company, when you bring them a new customer, that customer is tagged to you for life. So anytime that customer makes a purchase on that website, then you get a piece of that pie. So you're going to get a commission for it. Now, that rule is different for every company, so you're going to have to check, all right? A lot of times they've got a 30-day window, a 90-day window, a 14-day window, a 1-year window, or a lifetime window. So it's always something that you want to take a look. A lot of times it is referred to as cookied to you as well. So for that first purchase, usually they use the cookie window. But then there's also another window once the purchase is made. Now, I'm going a little farther into it. I don't want to confuse you guys. I know you guys are new to affiliate marketing, so that's something that we can maybe discuss at a later time. For now, I just want you guys to understand how to find a good product. All right, that good product is, does it have the ability for more commissions, or is it simply just a high ticket commission item? High ticket commissions, and I'm sure all of you have heard that online. High ticket commissions means different to different people, but to me, anything above $1,000 commission, I consider that to be high ticket. Now, finally, is your payment automated? All right. Once you start making money with affiliate marketing, people are going to reach out to you in your DMs to promote their product. I suggest that unless they are a company that has a fully automated way of you checking a dashboard on how you're going to make your commissions and you're going to get paid out automatically, if they have that, then they are someone to be considered. If they don't have that, if it's something like, oh, hey, yeah, if you refer someone to me and they tell me that it was you, like, I'll give you a commission, that's untraceable. Right? They could simply never give you a commission. And so you don't want to open yourself up to being scammed. Don't put your work, your affiliate marketing work, on products that aren't set up in a way that that you're safe. Right? Again, this is why it's so important to start with one product. Start with that evergreen product and just make sure that you learn how to do affiliate marketing correctly. Don't overwhelm yourself. The more things you try to do, the less successful you're going to be. And I mean, that's not to say that you won't be successful, but it's the difference between someone who starts to see money in their first month to someone that doesn't really start to see money for 6 months. You know, when you spread yourself thin, you're just elongating the time it's going to take for you to get that commission. I wanted to share with you guys that I chose a product that, in my opinion, covers every single one of these. And it's not just my opinion, it's actually a fact. I can prove that because I do make high ticket commissions, I do make reoccurring commissions, and it is an evergreen product. You know, and what I promote is called Legendary Marketer. It's a 15-day challenge that teaches you all the fundamentals of affiliate marketing. And as a matter of fact, I'm going to put a link below this video so that any of you that are interested in doing this, you guys can go over there and get started. I mean, it's great training. I don't think that I can find better training for a beginner that is going to give you so much bang for your buck. I highly recommend it. They really are my number one top recommended partner for anyone who's a beginner. So I'm going to leave that at the bottom and I'll let you guys check it out.